Have you ever had this thought? What if one day you get replaced? Not by another person, but by an AI that works faster, cheaper, and never needs a break. If you have felt this fear, you are not alone. Because automation is already inside every industry we know. But here is the truth. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing the tasks that people do. And the people who don't evolve beyond those tasks, they are the ones who get left behind. Just like Darwin said, it's not the strongest who survive, but the ones most adaptable to change. And today, that applies more to careers than biology. So the question isn't, will AI take my job? The real question is, which skills will help me stand out when AI is everywhere? Let's break this down. Skill number 1, critical thinking. AI can generate answers, but it can also generate extremely confident nonsense. And in the world full of instant responses, your power comes from applying critical thinking to what you see. Skill number 2, structured problem solving. AI can give you a list of 10 solutions for every problem, but only you can solve it in the right way. Most people will jump to answers, but to be successful, you must define the problem first. Think about the bottlenecks, the variables, and the outcomes, and only then move towards solving it. Skill number 3, creativity. Creativity is everything. Bringing your creative side to work gives you the ability to change directions without losing momentum. It helps you look at problems from different perspectives. AI can offer obvious solutions, but it is your creativity that will lead to the best ones. Skill number 4, empathy. AI might be able to converse with you, but it can't understand what you are feeling. It can't resolve conflicts, motivate a team, or support a confused customer. AI cannot build trust, but you can by putting empathy first. Skill number 5, adaptability. Today, knowing something isn't enough. It's an ever-changing world. Your advantage doesn't come from knowing something that AI doesn't. It comes from being able to adapt to new situations by learning new skills. Tools will keep changing, systems will keep updating, and AI will keep evolving. But if you can adapt to these changes, you will never get replaced. Automation isn't the enemy. AI isn't the threat. The real danger is staying the same while the world moves forward. And here is the best part. Each one of these skills is learnable. The more you practice your critical thinking, problem solving skills, creativity, empathy, and adaptability, the further you will go in both your personal and professional lives. So ask yourself, which skill do you need to work on? Drop your thoughts in the comments because the future isn't waiting and neither should you.